In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to initial in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to quickly add your initials to a PDF, Adobe Acrobat makes the process very simple. This is especially useful for forms, agreements, or any document where you need to mark a specific section without adding a full signature. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along on your own screen. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open. Before you do anything else, take a quick moment to scroll through the document and find the area where your initials need to go. That way, once your initials are created, you can place them exactly where they belong without having to search around. Next, look to the left-hand column in Acrobat and click the pen icon. This opens the tool you'll use for adding signature style marks to your document. If you're new to Acrobat, don't worry if the icon looks small. Just focus on the left sidebar and select the pen symbol when you see it. After that, click on Add Initials. This tells Acrobat that you want to create a shorter mark rather than a full signature. It's the right option when a document asks specifically for initials in a certain spot. Now click into the text field and type your initials. Be careful to enter them exactly as you want them to appear on the document. This is the version Acrobat will prepare for placement, so it's worth taking a second to double check the letters before moving on. Once your initials look correct, click Save. Saving stores that initial style so Acrobat can place it into the PDF. This helps streamline the process and lets you use the same initials without retyping them each time during this session. Finally, click on the part of the page where you want to add your initials. Acrobat will place them there and you should immediately see them appear on the document. If needed, make sure you're clicking in the correct location so the initials align neatly with the form or line they're meant for. And that's it. You've successfully added initials in Adobe Acrobat. As a final tip, take a quick look over the page after placement to make sure everything is positioned properly and looks clean before you continue with the rest of your document. This simple process can save time and make completing PDFs much more efficient.